First I wrapped the foam around my head so it wasn't too tight or too loose, and I marked where I needed to cut. Because the foam is 24 inches in height, I drew a line at the 12-inch mark. That way we can cut half the foam off and use the other ones for another project. I drew another line 3.5 inches down. That's where the bottom of the triangles will be to make the dome shape. The length of the foam sheet I cut came out to be exactly 26.25 inches. I then divide that number by a high number, usually from 7 to 10. That will get me the number of triangles I need. I chose 7 because it came out to exactly 3.75 inches for the bottom of each triangle. Cut at the 12-inch mark, and then start cutting in between each triangle. You now want to hot glue the two ends together to make it into the cylindrical shape. Now hot glue all the triangles together and use pins to hold them in place. Use the extra foam to wrap the foam base in. Now cut the extra foam off. Use the cylinder to trace out a circle and then cut it out. Now stuff the layer on top and shape it to a dome. Don't forget to hot glue it on. Take some scissors and trim it up. Use the extra foam to make the 2 bumps on his head. Hot glue them into place and trim them to make them smoother. Use a marker to draw on his facial features. Cut out the eye holes and make the head shorter if needed. Hot glue 2 foam sheets together and make a stencil for the whiskers, and you want to make 2 of them. You should end up getting something like this, and now you want to cut them out. After sculpting the whiskers to make them smoother, you want to hot glue them on. Make the stencils for the top part of the jaw. Hot glue 3 layers of foam. Now trace the top side of the jaw and cut it out. Now trace on the sides. Now trim to shape it. Stay tuned for part 2 where I'll be adding the bottom jaw and the ears. Thank you for watching. Peace.